And now we're entering the market plaza of Bazurto. This is where Cartageneros get all the things. And look at this. There's our Colombian avocados. These are papelillo variety. The papelillo variety is the one that we eat. Normally, people all around the world, it's the Hass variety, but we eat the papelillo variety. Look at this. This is a yuca. Okay, yuca is a tubercle that comes here. And this is yuca like made. And that is ñame, the famous ñame.
Plantain.
Plantain, yeah. Very good. And let me go with my group because I'm gonna lose it.
Oh no, in the cooking class, no. Right.
You're right.
So this is the fresh market here in Cartagena de Indias, and everything you can see just arrived over here. They're just taking it down from the trucks and everything. So this is the fresh market of Cartagena, and you can see everything here at Bazurto. You can enjoy. And well, everything is totally fresh here. ¿Hace cuánto trabaja usted, señora, acá? 20 años. She's been here for more than 20 years. ¿Y cómo les va bien? Bien, chévere. Ok. Véanlo, galán, véanlo. Hermanito, ¿qué?
Regular street.
This is the famous ají dulce. This is a very, I think that here in the cuisine of the coast Atlantic.
Pepino blanco. Pepino blanco.
Pepino blanco, yeah. Size of these avocados, guys. This is the papelillo variety, not the Hass variety. This is papelillo variety. Esa es la que más nos gusta a los colombianos, ¿no? El papelillo, ¿no? El Hass no nos gusta mucho, ¿no?
Sale bueno, sale bueno.
¿Sale bueno? Okay, here you have it. Plátano verde, plátano maduro, plantain. The coconut. And the fruits.
We have different things. In Colombia, we have different type of passion fruit.
Okay. Oh, I don't know who there is.
This one is the passion fruit that the people know. This is your passion fruit. But this and this also are passion fruit.
Oh.
This is named Granadilla, and this is Urua.
Okay.
We're gonna taste it at the school later.
That's passion fruit.
And this is
Una liga,
lulo.
por favor.
And then that's the berry.
You like lulo?
Yeah.
Good, huh?
Very.
Lulo is my favorite juice. I like it a lot.
visita sea tienda del vacío. Presten mucha atención los oyentes del Piquetero, amigo entenderlo, que trabajan ahí con el hombre, son hombres en la tienda.
Look, these guys sell leaves, and these leaves are made with for tamales or for pasteles, and it is like a natural package for food. So you take these leaves and you put on the food in there, the tamales or the pasteles.
Níspero. Zapote is a nice, very weird fruit.
This is níspero.
Níspero and zapote.
And zapote.
Yes, that's caimito, I think. Eso no es caimito.
No.
¿Esto qué es? Ese es caimito, ¿verdad?
Es zapote chocuano,
Zapote chocuano. Yeah, this is exotic even to me. I never saw it before. What is it?
So we are here at Bazurto, popular market of the city of Cartagena. This is tomate de árbol, not my favorite. And this one is my favorite, lulo. Make sure if you come to Colombia, you have to have lulo. You may find lulo in the United States. Sometimes in the Latino supermarkets, you find lulo in the supermarkets. Like in a concentrate, you're not gonna find it like in a fruit, okay? But you find it in lulo in restaurants. But guys, you come to Colombia, you have to have lulo.
La panocha.
Doy medio a la mano, vamos a la buena, hablando verde, doy medio a la mano, doy medio.
¿A cómo? ¿A cómo?
Doy medio, varón. Ahí a doy medio. A doy medio. Ahí a doy medio.
La mano a 2.000. 2.000 pesos la mano a 2.000.
¿Cuánto me la mano de plátano?
Esa lleva ni a 5.
Muchos años acá vendiendo, señor. Muchos años acá.
Desde que comenzó esto,
Desde los 70s.
yo vengo del Mercado Viejo para acá, vengo trasladado.
¿Y qué era mejor, el mercado viejo o este?
Oye, eso no tiene comparación el
El
Mercado
viejo,
Viejo con esto. De los viejos, original.
Original.
De los viejos es original.
Gracias.
Aguanta el viaje.
Tres y medio, 3 en 10, ven. Ven que está barato. Está tomando un completo, está tomando mejor.
That is cornflowers, ladies and gentlemen.
¿Cuánto, mi amigo? ¿Cuánto? ¿Usted habla español?
Sí, hermanito. ¿Cómo está el queso hoy? ¿Cómo está el kilo?
16. Pruebe para qué.
O sea, es buenísimo. Ahorita estoy trabajando, pero ese queso de hueco me encanta. This is my favorite cheese, guys. This is the one that has the pores, that has the holes. This is the best for one for me. Y solo se consigue en Bazurto el queso de hueco.
Ahí usted pone el pecueñero que tiene mojado.
Ay, Dios. It's good. They gave me cheese, guys.
La gente son duros para comprar. Compran es pura.
Oye, grande a 5 la mano, a 5. A 5 la mano, a 5.
En jugo. Bueno, en jugo, sabrosa. En jugo, sabrosa. Y ya, chao.
A la 1 le juega. Medio millón a la 1 le juega. Fantástica día, medio millón a 1000. A la 1 le juega. Medio millón a la 1 le juega. Fantástica día, medio